This evening, a ray of hope shines a light on how an ex-police officer living in the United States of America is helping to fill a gap by helping a former colleague in Jamaica who was injured in the line of duty and had been living in squalor. More in this report.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
More help for 74-year-old Lorenzo McLegan, the former constable left crippled after he was shot in the head while on duty in 1976. Some of his colleagues drew attention to his poor living condition in Portland last year, and he has since received the Food for the Poor House and other help. Now, a former colleague living in the U.S. has decided to provide annual assistance after learning of his situation in the Jamaican media.
When I see $1,000 a month for pension, can you imagine $1,000? What can $1,000 do in the time and age police officer who risk their life to protect, serve and protect? $1,000, it makes me cringe. I asked my listening audience, I said, I need each person to make a donation. And so what they do is bring the money to me, hand it over to me, and I keep it. I have this money from about the middle of the year.
He says he has been using his media platforms in the U.S. to get money to give back to Jamaica in various ways over the past few years, including an annual treat with the Sandals Foundation, which he says also donated money to help Mr. McLegan.
And I started with my audience, and today I was able to hand over $200,000 to help Mr. McLegan in whatever way he needs to help himself.
Acting Assistant Police Commissioner Steve McGregor, who will present the money to Mr. McLegan, says the force is working with the National Security Ministry to improve the assistance to former police injured in the line of duty.
We need to follow up on how they are making out at their different stages and where they are living. A lot of that is not being done. There are some other things that government should be taking care of, something that they should be getting that they are not getting, that we'll be looking to see how we can fast track those things to make life a little bit better for them right now.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kirk Wright.
TVJ's Ray of